Welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. And guess what today is? Keto Thursday. Yes, indeed, Keto Thursday. And I made a delicious keto chocolate cake in 90 seconds. That's what it says, keto cake in 90 seconds. And I'm gonna let y'all know now, I made the cake. And then I put a scoop of ice cream on it. Oh my gosh. I just, without even thinking, I just went in the refrigerator, got the Breyers ice cream, put a scoop of ice cream on it. Now the scoop of ice cream, 1/3 of a cup of ice cream is 23 carbs. So that added to the cake. My suggestion is you let the cake cool before you eat it. My suggestion is that you let the cake cool as much as possible. I don't eat warm cake per se, not unless it's a hot pound cake, or something like that. But in general, I don't, eat warm cake. So in this particular case, I put the scoop of ice cream on, so I had to dig in and eat it. But my suggestion is that you let it cool. I made 2 small ones, and the cool one tasted a little bit, I could taste the flavors a little bit more. So, So I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm planning on just devoting a lot of time to keto because I want to walk this keto journey out. I'm going to keto my life, okay? So look for keto recipes. Let's jump into the video. day, a good Thursday. Most of all, I hope you have a purpose-filled life in Jesus' name. And you know that I love you with that agape love.